LG is turning up the volume on style and sound with its latest Xboom lineup, now reimagined and tuned by none other than music icon Will.i.am. From portable party speakers to personal audio, this collection is ready to blow your mind and your ears. First up is the Xboom Bounce, a speaker that doesn't just deliver sound, it performs it. Featuring passive radiators that literally bounce to the beat and light up, the Bounce makes every song a visual experience. With an IP67 rating and military-grade durability, it's built for beach days, hikes, and yes, even accidental pool dips. And with up to 30 hours of battery life, this portable powerhouse ensures the music never stops. Meet the Xboom Grab, the Bounce's smaller, rugged sibling. Designed for ultimate portability, it comes with straps to attach to your bike, bag, or anything else on the go. Compact enough to fit in a cup holder, it delivers dynamic bass powered by dual passive radiators. With 20 hours of battery life, the Grab is your perfect sidekick for all your adventures. For those who want to bring the house down, there's the Xboom Stage 301. Featuring a 6.5-inch woofer and mid-range drivers, this speaker delivers powerful room-filling sound for your karaoke nights, dance parties, or even solo jam sessions. And with IPX4 water resistance and 11 hours of battery life, it's ready for any party you throw at it. For a more personal audio experience, the Xboom Buds are here to impress. Tuned by Will.i.am, these earbuds feature graphene drivers for crystal clear sound and deep bass. With active noise cancellation and support for LE Audio Auracast, the Xboom Buds deliver immersive listening for up to 30 hours with the charging case. So, what sets this lineup apart? The signature Will.i.am tuning ensures every product delivers a sound experience that's dynamic, clear, and true to the artist's vision. Whether it's the punchy bass of the Bounce, the portability of the Grab, the bold power of the Stage 301, or the immersive audio of the Buds, there's something for everyone. The Xboom Bounce starts at $249 on £199, the Xboom Grab at £199 or £159, the Stage 301 at £499.399, and the Buds at $179. All will be available late February from LG and major retailers. LG Xboom, designed for adventure, tuned for perfection.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.